Hello everyone, let's start to have a reading training with me today. Today also I have prepared two capturing race questions and two life and death questions. You can see now this black 3 stones are in danger. Black has to capture these white 5 stones. So now how do you want to surround? Then we can start to do it now. You may have a many feeling, just like even you may want to play A, B, C, D, something like that, right? Okay, we can follow step by step. If black just stretch here, what can white to do? I think even white to just surround from outside. If you are just keep playing inside, it doesn't work anything. So I think from now the best move can be here. White has a two option. Even white just connect here, it's gonna be Seki. Even white can just surround here. You can just capture the half group of the white, but now if these 4 stones are captured, it's not really successful. It's not enough. So now this is not okay. What about B? This one. This is just normal surrounding method. When you play here, I'm gonna capture. But the point is, since you exchange here, you can't surround from inside, and even you can't surround from outside, I can capture. So what you can do then is just connect, and then white cannot tarry. Now one liberty is not enough. Then what about you to think about C? Yeah, I think C is a good idea. You can play Kosumi. Many times when you have a capturing race, then Kosumi is the famous one of the vital point. When you do that, I am supposed to capture. I am supposed to connect, and then you can connect here. This Kosumi made you have one more liberty. I can't get in here. If I just do that, still you can capture. Something like this. So white is supposed to just extend. And then you can press from outside. Like this. So now Kosumi was the best move. D doesn't work anything. This is the worst move. After you exchange here, nothing you can do. And even you play something, I just press from outside. Even you can't capture any stones. So now D is not the good choice. Okay, did you find it correct? Okay, we can pass these questions. Next one. This is quite difficult. Please stop to watch this video, and you have to think about it first before I show you. Okay? Yeah. Now black three stones are behind. We just left 2 liberties. So white left 3 liberties. If you just press from outside, I can capture first. Even black stretch, I'm gonna press from outside. It doesn't work. Then what about another move, which means you need to make longer liberty. In order to make longer liberty, I think you can think about just like here, and this one, and this one. Maybe three fillings around. Let's follow A first. When you are doing that, if I answer, I think you can make longer. Even you play here, and you can capture. But if you are just making one eye, this is gonna be ko. So at this time, there isn't ko, so making one eye is not good idea. Even you surround, I can capture. So you have to fight for this ko. Then what's wrong? White answer was wrong. White is supposed to Atari first, and you are gonna connect here. And then this time, surrounding skill is important. You have to surround from outside. Even you try to make longer liberty, it's not working anything. Now white is faster than you. Yes. So now this stretch doesn't work because of Atari. If you understand my logic, maybe you may want to try C first, because white has played here, that's true. Or we can just follow the B first. B is not possible to do anything. If white just stretch here, since here you can't make longer liberty. You cannot make more liberty. Here and this one. So, okay, we should follow C. Finally C. Okay, this time, even white has a few answers. Just like white can think about stretch here and surround here. Yeah, let's follow. If white just answer here, then this is easy. You can just capture. It doesn't work. And what about the white just answer here? This is quite difficult. And if black just around, it doesn't work. That's why black must try to capture this one stone, but I can't say exactly capture. The reason why, if white just Atari here, now even you can just stretch. Because if we are doing here, black get one eye and white doesn't have eye, so you can just beat white. But main point is white has a better move white can do here. What do you want to do? Now is very important. You shouldn't try to capture this one stone. If you are doing that, this is became ko. This one, ko. You should challenge for this one. So now it doesn't work. Then what about if you stretch here? Seems you want to capture these two stones, but I'm not gonna play here. This is your plan. But white is gonna play here. This is snapback. Became black 5 stones are captured. So now if you read here, what you have to do is after you exchange, you can just press from outside. You know, white can't do it here. So white has to capture this one stone, then you can capture these 4 stones. So now this is working. Then what about C? C is also one of the tetsuji. Black should try to hane here. This Atari is not okay. If white just play here, then when you capture, I can just capture these 5 stones like this. So now what black has to do is hane here. And even if white just try to do anything that he wants here, and you know, even is around here, black is faster for 1 liberty. Then what about this way? Black is gonna capture, and when you connect, then I can Atari here. So that's not okay. Then other way, yeah. White can even do it here. This time is up to you. Just make sure you must not play here. This is worst move. If you are doing here, became white can capture the black like this. So now when white is doing here, now even you have played here, then you can capture white. This is okay. If you are caring more end game, you can just capture this 2 stone as well. When white is doing, I can capture. When you are capturing back, I can do it here. Black is faster. So now you have to play stretch. Then it can make a longer liberty. But I want to tell you one thing with this question. This is working because this is the corner, which means if I remove this question, yeah, I remove this one line far away, something like this, then it doesn't work. Why? Because now white can attach here, same as that just shows, so that when black is doing here, just now that was the corner. If you don't remember, you can just rewatch again. Yeah. And now this time I'm not gonna answer here. Black can just capture. White has a timing to Atari these 2 stones. And here when I do that, and when black is capturing, now is not the corner, I can just Atari here. But if this is pressing up, white couldn't get in it because this 2 stone I can capture if this was the corner. So what I want to tell you is that you can't just memorize the pattern. Yes. Of course you can keep trying to, it's not, I think memorizing is not the suitable word. Just if you keep practice, you get to know where is the tetsuji naturally. It's not memorizing. So even the same shape, the in this situation, black cannot capture the white. Just I want to tell you about that. Always, even though you have many reading training, you may not have the same question in your actual game, but you will get power to solve by yourself in your actual game. That is the reason why we are doing. Because some of the players are saying like, yeah, I don't think I'm not gonna have this happen in my game. Why should I do that? But that's totally wrong information. You will get power, okay? Not memorizing, not having the same happen. Yeah. Okay, if you understand, we can just do the next question. Now black has to get 2 eyes. Now shape is quite big. There are many choices, so now such kind of question is making us really tired. So now we have to go one by one. There are many options. For example, if you are doing here, but you know this one is easily not working when white plays knight move. Then what about you just play block? But also when I just press from outside and the hane, it doesn't work. Then what about us to play stretch? You can get one eye here, but when I attach here, it doesn't work. Even you capture one stone, this is fake eyes. Then what about I play here? If I just press here, luckily we can make ko. Ko is already lucky because white has a better move. White can just invade, and when you block, I can re-invade, and here and this one. You know, this is not seki. Even you go out and try to answer. Finally, when white press those ways, you know, now it's not seki, black, which means black has to capture these 3 stones. So now this is not working. Then what about another one? Finally, what you have to do is this one. Then you will get one eye, and this is that you have one more. I can't do like this. I'm gonna be captured. So when I press from outside, then you can take 2 eyes. Did you find correct? Yes. Okay, next one is the last question. Today life and death question is easier than capturing race. Now it seems very easy. When you see that one, it must be first feeling. And if white connect here, we can tarry, and you may want to play like that. Yeah, it's easy to say. If you are caring more about point, then I recommend you to play stretch here. This is better for point. Black territory is much bigger, right? So this is basically no problem. Then why did I make this question? You should know that, right? White is not gonna answer. White can just hane here. Then watch this. Ko. Yeah, I want to fix your reading habit. Always you have to think about for your anger and for your opponent anger as well. We are thinking both sides. So now I can say this is ko. Then after that you can find crack. Black is supposed to jump. Jump is the good move. White can't get in. Black can just capture easily. So white is supposed to connect, and then you can make sente. The shape is same, but ordering is just the first move is different. Yeah. So now jump is correct one. Life and death was much easier, right? Not many ways to read. Yeah, just you had to read 2 ways, here and here. Okay, how was today's reading training? Did you get all correct? Yeah, if you get all correct, I want to say congratulations, and even you got wrong, that's no problem. Yeah, we are not solving the question for getting the tick 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 and correct. That's nothing. Just you have to try to read all the way as much as possible. Okay, so now we can study until now. Make sure repeat more can make your reading perfect. So practice more, and today we can study until now. If you think this was useful, please like and subscribe for my channel, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Thank you.